Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on menu down here. When you just click here on menu, then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on settings. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on color ID settings, just click on it here. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So you come here to show color ID for outgoing calls. So then all you have to do, just click here in this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean show color ID for outgoing calls disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.